Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show how to install Docker on Ubuntu. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL and follow this documentation. I am going to install Docker using the apt repository. At first, open a new terminal and copy this command and paste on the terminal, then hit enter. Now enter the password for this user, then hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system and also install the necessary packages and add repository. Now type Y and hit enter to continue. Okay, then copy this command to install the latest version of Docker. Hit enter. Now type Y and then hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing. Now I am going to verify the installation using this command. That's it. Docker installed successfully and running on my system. Some systems may have this behavior disabled and will require a manual start. Then use this command to start Docker first. Okay. Now I am going to create a new image to verify the installation. So copy this command and paste here, hit enter. Okay, now I am going to show the images. Use this command sudo docker images. That's it. This is the image that I already have created right now. Okay, now I am going to remove this image using simple command sudo docker rmi and then write the image name here, hello world. Our image is unused, so we need to delete this image using this command. Okay, now check. We cannot delete this image, so I'm going to fix this issue. Docker ps-a to show the container. So we need to remove the container first. So use this command, copy the container name and then paste here. Now hit enter. Now use this command to remove the image. That's it. Now verify. That's it. And also see the Docker version. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.